Right. Let's go to the next problem, which is this. Question is the value of the integral 2 times integral minus infinity to infinity sine 2 pi t by pi t dt equal to dash. Okay. So if you so we know what is the Fourier transform. X of, we'll take this signal sine 2 pi t by pi t as x of t. Okay, so let x of t equal to sine 2 pi t divided by pi t. Okay, so what is the requirement? So we want, okay, so what do we want? We want uh, 2 times integral minus infinity to infinity x of t dt. Correct? Sine 2 pi t by pi t, we assume it to be x of t. So clearly, if you look at our previous problem, so integral minus infinity to infinity, that should in x of t dt should give you what? That should give you area of the signal x of t. But in frequency domain, that is same as 2 times capital X of j omega at omega equal to 0. Okay, so that will be the area of x of t, which is nothing but Fourier transform at omega equal to 0. But we already know what is this fellow's Fourier transform. So what is this fellow's Fourier transform? It is a rectangular function from minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Correct? So w is 1. So at omega, this is our x of j omega. Okay, so what is the value of omega equal to 0? It is equal to 1. So that should be equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. So the value of this integral is how much? 2. So what is the right choice? D is the right choice. So